gonna open it up and I'll show you what we're next gonna do.
Can I see the picture? What is it?
And
what do you have?
And inside it has purple hair and a crown with a bra and a mermaid tail.
Can you show me the front of the box?
So
turn it around for me. What do we? Oh nope. Let me see the front.
So it has some plastic on it.
Let's see what this is called. This is called Barbie Dreamtopia. It looks like a mermaid.
I'm gonna open up my mermaid and I can't.
Oh, would you like some help?
Yes, please.
Alex, can you help your sister?
I can't open it.
I'm here.
Get her out.
Thank you, Alex.
And next up, we're gonna do the Awesome Blossoms first. So today, Alex is gonna help me open my mermaid up, and then you have to open the front up to it. And next up, we're gonna do the Awesome Blossoms, because I got one Awesome Blossom here, and we're gonna try to open it up with those sisters.
Ooh, is that
Those
next?
scissors. Yeah. And there's a little seed in there.
Thank you.
And next up is the Awesome Blossom. Some purple hair. Let's see if this comes out. Nope. And if it comes down like that. And then it has a bra and a tail and her mermaid. And then I don't know what this is for. It goes in there. It does not stick.
Ooh.
This is for the magic.
Ooh, can I help with that?
No.
Okay.
And next up is the Awesome Blossoms.
Let's take a look. Show me what you got. Let me see. Can I look at the container?
This is the Awesome Blossom, and there's no kid in there.
There's no kid in there?
It has to grow in the seed.
Ooh. Can I look at the container? Can I hold?
Can you open it in this
Ooh, we have Awesome Blossoms. Okay. Let's see what this is.
Hi, so we're gonna open up my Awesome Blossom toy.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Even though I already opened up my mermaid. She has some purple hair and she's so beautiful. And look at this. Open it.
So Alex is going to help her sister out by opening the Awesome Blossom toy.
And here's my seed.
Ooh.
How do you do it exactly?
What does this look like?
So we have to put the clip in.
Huh?
And we have to put the seed in.
The
And
seed
here's-
where?
Inside here.
You have to turn it upside down, make sure the open part is facing top up.
It is all facing top. Kind of cracked. But I'm gonna put it in. So scissors. We need scissors to open this.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. So we need to put water. First we need to put foil and then water.
We need to put it into water.
No, first you put it on on there.
God.
Dad, you're doing.
Whoa, what is
Oh
that?
my God, where are you
That's the magic foil. The magic foil. I got my whatever it's called, and here's my little leaf spoon, and you can make this out of so this is for the hammock, And this is so we got a little pillow here and the flowers.
When do we add
Ooh,
water?
can I see, Sarah?
Wait, now.
Show me. Ooh.
Here it is.
Do we put?
One. Hold on.
Oh, let me add it.
One, 2, 3, 4,
Do you have an
5,
idea of what's supposed to happen?
Good counting, Sarah.
7,
6, you mean?
6.
Do you have any idea what's supposed to happen?
Yes, you'll see it.
8,
It'll pop through.
No, not 7. This is 8.
9.
Ooh, what happened?
Cute.
What is this? Let me see.
I don't know how we replace her. We get it off her
Oh my
neck.
goodness, look at her. Is this Awesome Blossom?
Yes.
There's
She
like
popped
5 different
open.
clans, honey.
Huh?
Like 5 different clans.
Ooh.
Can you help me? Help
What?
me get
Okay,
it off.
let's get her out.
Now.
Thank you guys.
Bye, wave. Thank you for being a helper, Alex. Let's look at your other videos. What do you think you do?
Can you help me?
Okay. Why don't you try?
Here a little bit. I can't. Are you ready to hear the water explode? Water explode. Make it pop open. Thank you guys for seeing the Awesome Blossom Show. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, Sarah. Thanks for joining us.
Says bye too.
Bye, Alex.